What is up, YouTube? Before I make it this figure it out Friday, I just want to take a little time to go over contrails and chemtrails, the little white streaks you see following airplanes in the sky, because I'm finally able to get it all at one time here. So I don't know if my phone's good enough, but I just took a picture. But right here to the right of this light, you can see a plane, like right here. That is a contrail. As you can see, it disappears. Now this one streak you can see going all the way across the sky, and you can even follow it to where the damn plane is. Like, that's hundreds of miles right there. Yet this line has not disappeared from this plane. It goes all the way on and just continuously fades and gets fatter and fatter, whereas the one right here somewhere now, where's its trail? You don't see it no more. So, prime example of a contrail versus a chemtrail. You know, the contrail is a condensation trail. You know, it's a natural occurrence. You know, for those that don't know, you know, the heat from the jet engine condenses and freezes as it exits the jet's engine and leaves this white trail behind it. And these ice crystals in the air form the white trail we see. But eventually those crystals fall and they melt and disappear, as is the case with that first plane I showed you. Its trail was only about, I don't know, a mile long and was disappearing as it flew by. Now, chemtrails, chemical trails, are trails left by airplanes that are spraying shit on us. Now, what that shit is, I don't know. But there's people out there researching it now. And I talked about this a couple years ago and people thought I was loony. But now scientists and people are actually gathering together to try to find out what this crap is. And from a lot of the reading I've been doing, it's got a lot of aluminum dust in it and who knows what else. But, you know, chemtrails are not natural. As you can see, you know, that one trail went for miles and miles and miles and didn't disappear. Some trails get fatter than others. I guess it depends on what is inside of whatever they're spraying. But sometimes they get like real fat and fluffy. Some of them stay thin, like this one. Well, actually, this one right here that I showed you, it's getting fatter as I make this video. But, you know, and some of them, they get really fat and they start thinning out kind of like this here. Like, that's not a natural cloud. That's a chemtrail that was sprayed earlier and it got fatter. So, I mean, there's more to this than everyone thinks. Like, don't be a sheep. Do your own research. But, that's just some food for thought for today. Do your own research, people. Don't just take my word for it. Look it up yourselves. Like, this shit is not cool. Like, it's probably why we got so many people with skin problems and we're all fucked up. This is just like one part of it. But as always, be safe out there. Be water, my friends. And I'll have this figured out Friday out by this evening. So stay tuned for that. Peace.